As a global company, Amphenol Broadband Solutions operates from factories that dot the world, such as this Vietnam facility. Built with manufacturing flexibility at the forefront, this factory allows us to more quickly respond to the changing needs of dynamic networks. Concepts used here are being mirrored at other facilities, contributing to an adaptive supply chain that can more quickly deliver needed networking products. While maintaining close relationships with individual customers, ABS has behind it the resources of a Fortune 500 corporation. This diverse expertise and capital leads to new solutions to the most pressing problems of modern networks. Amphenol Broadband Solutions. Network flexibility grounded in stability.